Hello and welcome to HWM Caterham. Today I'm here to walk you around this really well presented example of a 2017 620S. This one is finished in the larger chassis. The paint on this one's called Roulette green and it's only had one owner from new. Let's have a look around together and see the specification on this lovely example. So this lovely 620S has covered just over 7,300 miles and has been with the same owner since August 2017 when it was first registered. For a 7-year-old car, it's presented really beautifully and it's had a great specification list. So we'll start off by talking about the upgrades that were done in 2022 by PGM Motorsports. They did an engine cooling kit and an engine upgrade kit, so it's running beautifully. Some of the specs on this one is you'll get your front LED lights, you also get your clear lens pack for the indicator pods on both sides and the wing repeaters. Indicator pods are finished in carbon fibre and you also do get the aero wishbones down at the bottom, and this is currently set up on the track suspension. Colour wise, it's finished in Roulette green, which originally was a Triumph motorcycle colour, which suits this car really well. It had some nice accents depending what lighting you're in, and it's also got the matte triple stripes down the whole side and the top of the bonnet. This car also does feature some PPF, which is just half of the nose cone here and some later on down the back there. So now we're down on the side of this lovely 620S. More of the specification, it's been finished with the carbon front cycle wings, which matches up really nicely to some of the other bits of carbon around the car. It's on the 13-inch Black Apollo alloys, finished on these ZZR tyres, and on this car it does also have some PPF down the side skin and also follows it through to the back. Being a 620, you do also get your track day exit exhaust, which runs through the side here and comes out the back. Another bit of specification is you do get your master battery cutoff switch, and this car does come with the full hood and side screens. So now moving on down to the rear of the 620S, this one's been spec'd with your optional carbon fibre boot vinyl, as well as having the aero filler cap finished in black. Now this is because it's part of the black pack, so I'll make that black, as well as the windscreen surround and also the headlight bowls. It's also been fitted with an FIA approved rain light. Now being a 620S, this is a top spec model, so as standard on this car you do get things like a limited slip diff, uprated master brake cylinder and a lightweight flywheel. The 2-litre supercharged engine will take you from 0 to 60 in a mere 2.79 seconds and pushes 310 brake horsepower to these rear wheels. So now moving on into the interior of this 620, we'll start off by talking about some of the optional extras. Starting off with the wheel, this is the Momo leather quick release. So with a simple pull of the tab back here, you can take the wheel off for extra security and help getting in and out of the car. On the 620 as standard, you do get obviously the 620 dashboard. This one's been finished in carbon fibre, which does match quite nicely as well to the carbon fibre interior panels, which are down here and into the footwell. The seats on these ones is the carbon bucket seats. They've been finished with the Caterham Racing 4-point harness, and the carbon fibre doesn't end there, it finishes it through to the centre top, which is in carbon vinyl, which matches up quite nicely to the boot as well. Again, having covered just over 7,000 miles, it's presented in beautiful condition. So thank you for watching this video on this lovely spec'd 620S. If you have any further questions about the service history or the specification on this one, please give us a call on 01932 240 611 or visit the website down in the description below. Thank you for watching.